Hello YouTube, Bimmer7 guy here, and I'm just doing a quick little video here. We need to replace some wiper blades. And now to do that, you're probably wondering, oh man, what do I need to do to replace the wiper blades on my car? Well, you will need some wiper blades. I got these off of FCP Euro. Pretty much love everything that I've gotten off there so far. And yeah, we're gonna get them on. First thing you need to do is take this wiper arm, lift it up, and then you'll be able to service the wipers. Puts them in service mode. Whoop. And then you just take right there, see. Gotta take, turn it, pull it off. There's the old wiper off. And this one's not actually that bad. Passenger side, that's pretty bad. And now we're going to replace them. This box open. Oh wow, look at the presentation with that. That is big fancy right there. All right, hold on 1 second. Hold on. All right, so now we got our one wiper. Fancy Bosch blade. And we're gonna go put it on here. Just like so. We're gonna turn it that way. And then let it fall down on the windshield. Oh man, look at that. Fancy. Now we're gonna do this side. Wow, look at that. All right, new wipers. We'll put that back down in normal operating mode there. And then if you want to purchase these yourself from FCP Euro, there is the part number. These look like they'll work pretty well. And they are made in Belgium. Pretty cool. All right, till next time, YouTube.